Alright, so if I do get this buzzing feeling, in the past when I've been practicing a lot more than I am now, I'm able to amplify that noise in my head and get it to go basically, I don't know, let's see, through my whole entire head. Feels like it's vibrating with this noise. And then eventually, if a couple times in the past I got past it and was able to have an out-of-body experience, and the noise goes away. So it's some type of barrier to get past. Now, one of the fears that I have with this buzzy noise is I feel like that what happens if I got stuck in that zone in my head and then I had it constantly, that buzzing noise all the time. So it kind of scares me a little bit. It never stuck anywhere when I'm fully conscious, and anytime that I try to get out of it, it would never come back, but I still have that fear a little bit that possibly I could get stuck in that feeling of having that buzz noise in my head, and that kind of scares me. So since I haven't been meditating as much as I was in the past few years, I'm stuck right back at the buzzing borderline again. And for 45 minutes I was going through it, getting to that point, the buzz would start and I'd try to ride it out and try to make it go really long and amplify it, but I couldn't. As soon as the buzz started a little bit, I'd get scared and I would come right out of it. I guess not totally in trance anymore, to a certain extent, different levels, so it brought me out, and then I was playing around with that for about 45 minutes until I said, okay, I gotta get some more sleep, because next few days here I've been working a lot because there's a music festival in town, so I had to get back to sleep. And basically I just turned it off. I said I don't want to try to stay awake through that. I'm just going to click out the next time I get to that area, and eventually I just did click out. So knowing that buzzing's coming back, and I'm doing these video logs now, I'm very anxious to get to my next out-of-body experience or lucid dream. I'll take either one at this point. It's been a while and I want to get back into it.